Hey wonderful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber, karibu sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to the family.
Well.
So today it's another usual kind of hair videos, and it's been like is it 3 months? Yes, it's almost 3 months since I washed my hair.
Guy, anyway.
And as you can see, it's not as dirty as it could have been. I mean, it could have been worse.
That one we are not going to tolerate at all. At all.
So yeah, so I discovered some ways in which you can take care of your hair without, getting those dandruffs if you suffer from that. Because I realized the reason as to why I actually have or had dandruffs, whatever that is.
Nataka muniombe. I'm going through a lot of problems. Na ni mimi nilijiletea.
Dandruffs, okay. The reason was because I never moisturized my hair. I never used water or oil. But now I've embraced the journey and I can see it's growing long. So today I am doing my first ever, not my first ever, my second, yes, cutting. I realized these edges are the reason as to why your hair at times deters from growing. And I was to do it from my last wash day, which was 3 months ago. I'm doing so badly, can't lie. But yes, here we are again. Yeah, so I'm going to use this mask. I'm just going to put it for like 10 minutes.
2 hours later.